dali, kumbida mo na.
Hi.
All right, baby.
Déjame verlo, espérate.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. You know what, I had to take the glasses off for this video particularly. Right now I'm reporting live from Seoul, Korea, only because I'm on a flight, on an international flight, heading over to China for just a couple days. But what we're going to talk about in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about a Sosua and are they dead right now, because that's the importance of the video. Is it dead? You know, if you ain't never been before, you're not going to know no difference. But if you've been before, a lot of guys ask me like, hey man, is it still popping? Is the girls still out there? Is the partying still alive? Is the Airbnb villas still looking good and able to book? Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about that. But what I must clear is in my previous video, I put up a video. It wasn't to exploit the town. It wasn't to exploit the city. I realized that I got a few negative comments on the video from normally, like, true players understand what it is. Like, I'm not trying to bash the town, I'm trying to uplift the town. I want people to go and spend money in Sosua, because it's still worth going to go spend your money and seeing something different. It ain't just for fellas, it's for ladies too. But I had some guys bash it, and these the same guys that go out there just to try to buy that cat, if you know what I mean. Like, they ain't players at home, they can't get nobody at home, so they want to go to another country and be superior and make their little dollar scratch a few times here. Listen, player, I'm 31 countries in. There's plenty of places to do that outside of Sosua. So am I blowing up the spot? No, I'm not blowing up the spot. I'm just letting people know as a traveler that, listen, you can go out there, enjoy what you used to enjoy something different. The town itself is definitely changing. They are going towards a different type of tourist demographic. Cruise ship, they are preparing for cruise ships to start coming in instead of cabarete soon in the next year or so, like 2026. They start building little places where you can shop at, where the cruise port's gonna be. I gotta catch this flight too real quick, because my flight is about to board. But it's not to bash the town at all. It's just to show you what has transpired, what has changed. If you're watching YouTube and you're doing your research, it's your first time coming out to Sosua or heading out, or you've been before and you're just trying to keep with the news, this is end of August or September 2025. I'm just showing you what it looked like. I'm not exploiting. I'm not trying to blow up your hiding spot. This is not my hiding spot. I've been here 10 or 12 times. It's nothing to me. I've been all around the world. So listen, don't leave them negative comments. Only leave a comment if you got something good to say if you've been there. I ain't trying to mess your hiding spot up, you understand? But stay tuned right here. Take a look. This is what's currently going on the strip right now. Catch you soon. Continue to like, follow, subscribe. So what we're going to talk about right now, we're going to talk about, is Sosua dead? Is Sosua dead? Well, this is the main strip. Most of y'all know what the strip look like, knows that this is not how the strip normally look. It's pretty empty out here, you know what I mean? It is very empty. The strip is definitely different. They have a different time that they're out here, like everything shut down about 2 a.m. It is a lot cleaner. If you've been to Sosua before, then you know all that motion that used to be out here, that heavy motion. You don't see the motion unless you're actually inside. Like, you got to be inside the club, you understand? So the motion is definitely not the same. Are they out here? They definitely are out here. But Sosua is going in a new direction. They're getting ready for, I believe, cruise ships. So they cleaning up. You know, there's a beach here. They used to go to Cabarete, like even Carnival go to Cabarete. But now Sosua Beach, which is right around the corner. In the very near future, like in the next few months, cruise ships will be coming out here. So they want to keep the image clean of Sosua. And what they've done to do that is a lot of the women that used to work the streets, they got them out the street, off the main strip. They got the clubs that are shutting down a lot earlier right now, a whole lot earlier. The underage stuff, I ain't never seen too much underage activity out here. Now, I've been coming since 2016. Personally, maybe one time, but I haven't seen too much of that. But they cleaning that up. They cleaning the workers. So now, Sosua's a more fun place. It's not stopping. It ain't over. It may come back, but it is going in a good direction, in my opinion. It's bringing more types of tourists, not just single foreigners. You know what I mean? It's bringing a whole nother demographic of tourists. A lot more activities to do. Like you're gonna spend your money on other things now, such as like four-wheeler, beach, boat parties, stuff like that. Not just partying with these locals all the time. But different situation, you understand? The Haitians, you don't see many Haitians over here like you used to. Now right now it's about 8:30, 9 o'clock. But the game has changed. The game has definitely changed. And it's changing for the better. You know, but it's just the beginning of something different. It ain't that it's bad, it may even be better. So, you know, in the comments, if you ever been here before, drop a comment below. If you're looking to come, you got any questions, ask me. I can tell you from my experience, this ain't some hocus pocus from some stuff that somebody that's looking on the internet is telling you. There's somebody that's here and seeing it firsthand. If you've been here, you know this strip. The massage girls are still out. You still can get a massage per hour for $25. The nightclub's still going. The casino's still going. They probably not open as late as they used to, which is like 5 in the morning. It's more like a 2-3 shutdown situation. So which means you got to get your macaroni on. You used to walk down the street, they used to chase you. You got to get your Rolodex up. You got to get it up. Because listen, there's still a couple of them joints out here, you understand? They definitely out here. You know what I mean? Continue to comment, like, subscribe. We out. All right, now that video is done. Listen, if you enjoyed it, follow and share. If it's your first time here and you don't know me personally, feel free to get to know me. You know what I mean? It's more about these type of videos. I just enjoy travel. You know, that's what I like to do. I like culture. I like food. I like activity. I like the difference in other countries, and I like to show that, not expose it, but show it that it's tangible and touch. So continue to like, comment, subscribe. If you've been to Sosua since the change, leave a comment. If you think that it's going in the right direction, leave a comment. If you think it's not going in the right direction, let me know what type of direction it should be going. Appreciate your time for watching. Catch you on the next video.